Hi, my friend, this is Jack. Today I want to share one skill by a screwdriver to find the bent solenoid coil. When power on, the coil becomes magnetic and attracts iron. The screwdriver is iron, so once the power on, this solenoid coil attracts iron just like a magnet. Switch on. Okay, let's check this one. It's coming. You can feel. Now this solenoid coil is working. It's okay. Switch off. See? Now switch off. It's disappear. So this is the way. If this solenoid coil bend, it can attract the iron. It represents this is burned.